was just about to sing, well I was just starting to sing Hello Dolly. I'm sure she's over. Yeah. Yes. Hello. Hello good. Yeah. Hello good people. Hi everyone out there in YouTube land or wherever, TikTok land. Peekaboo good people. I finally joined TikTok too. I really don't know much about it, but yeah, Dolly. We're not sure what it's all about, but we just joined anyway. Hey, on TikTok. So maybe some of the TikTok people might want to meet you, Dolly, and say, oh, look at Dolly. She likes to talk to the good people. Are you counting? Oh, that's a magpie. Are you a big magpie? Counting. Counting? Oh. Oh. Counting. Counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. Counting, Dolly. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or you could say what you would say. Whoa. Beautiful. Wow. Well, thank you, darling. Yeah, lots of people, lots of good people. Oh, tummy scratch. Tummy scratch time. Yeah, I'm doing a little bit of meal prep, guys. Oh. Oh, well, Dolly just wanted to tell you about it. Okay. So I've been making some nice smells in the kitchen. Hey, Dolly. Come through to where you are. She thinks, ooh, what's that smell? You get treats. Oh, look at a cute little tummy. Look at a cute little tum-tum. Oh, Dolly, you're so cute. Yeah, and you're a pretty girl. Hello, good people. She's looking at the TV when she said that just then. Of course, the TV's on for her. Yeah, what's it? Wolf whistle. See, she whistles better than me. It's a pretty girl on TV. It's a true story. Yes, there is. Yeah. That is so funny. It's not a dude, it's a girl. Oh, you put your head down, you're bowing. Oh. Are you showing off your... Oh, are you flirting with the pretty girl on the TV? I don't know. Yeah, they're beautiful people. They're lovely people. Yep. Pretty girl. David Spade. Is he a pretty girl? It's that Rules of Engagement. I haven't seen this on actually at night for a while. Yeah, it's new, isn't it, Dolly? It's new. Peekaboo. Where am I? I'm pretty good. So she told me off for not looking at her. Oh, there was a gecko behind me. You don't say gecko anymore, do you, Dolly? Gecko? Gecko? Gecko. She's going, gecko. Peekaboo. There are lots of people, lots of good people. Oh, that's weird, the picture changed on the phone here. I thought something was moving in front. I don't know, it's probably just the camera. Same zoomed in quite a fair way away, 4.7 times zoom. sometimes I listen to these back and then I can actually work out what she's saying. So she's saying real things, aren't you, Dolly? You're not just jive talking. You are saying real, real, real stuff, real world events and real thoughts and feelings. World events as in your surroundings. Yeah, you're a bird. Yes, I'm a bird. She says, I'm a bird. I did tell her. I did break the news to her. It's okay to be a bird. You're blessed. Ah. She had time out of her cage the other day. Oh, I won't call it a cage, sorry. Her little house. Yeah. That's a different story. I'll tell you about it another time. It's getting on 6 minutes, Dolly. Do you want to say goodbye to the good people? Because, you know, we don't want to bore them. I know that they might like to say hello to you. And really, Dolly. She's waiting for me to tell her up. Really. I could have said really earlier and stopped her. She's going to see how far you went with that, Dolly. Really. Yeah. You don't. So she's backpedaling now. She knows that that's just not on, that sound. What do? We use our inside voice, Dolly. Yes, our inside voice. Don't make sounds like that. People will think, what the heck? Hey, Dolly. We don't want you to get a sore throat from screaming out silly stuff now. Anyway, we should go, hey, Dolly, and not talk silliness. Hey, well, you did. You had a little silly moment. You want to say goodbye, good people, and love to all? Hey, Dolly? Say goodbye, good people. I know you can. I hate having the last word. Let Dolly have the last word. No. Yeah, love to the good people. It's lovely, Dolly. Bye, guys.